when you want to increase the size of the oven like I did, you will need more angle irons. As you maybe know, the angle irons are crucial to build the roofing. So in the beginning I had very big angle iron. The problem with this is that they create quite a big gap in between the bricks. So, and it's quite costly. So here you see, this is actually a very long piece, and we had to cut it. I have an angle grinder, so that's fine. But here you see how it goes, the angle grinder, right? So I cut this at 2 feet length approximately. And what happens is you have to have one this way and then neighboring this way. Okay, so be sure you have angle grind. And this is quite small, but at least it makes the room, also the distance, a little bit smaller between the bricks. So just be aware that you will need angle iron when you build this kind of pizza stove. And of course you can bake bread here, anything. That is the beauty of the thing. So when it comes to this ceiling or the roofing, I actually think it's a better idea I put this flat straight on top like this, and then I will add these bricks on the top to help catch some heat, because now the heat will be better caught in my humble opinion. Also, as you can see here, if I had more bricks and I want to lift up the pizza so it's getting closer to the ceiling, I can just put more bricks, you know, and there will be not this big gap as we have here. We have this big gap because of the angle iron, but it wasn't a problem last night when we cooked, so I suppose it's not gonna be a problem. But again, if it should be a problem, you can experiment like that. You can put one extra layer of bricks. Also, of course, you can lower the whole thing. You remove this layer and the roof will come more down. But when we tried with this one last night, it was quite perfect, the pizza. It was nice from the top and from the bottom. It was frying evenly, and that is what you want when you are cooking a pizza. Okay, I finally got the fire burning here. I remember from yesterday this kind of wood is quite wet, and yeah, you need to be consistent. The toilet paper here is obviously not the best for making a fire, but we have some charcoals there in the center, and you can see there, hopefully you can see they are glowing. So this fire is gonna be great soon. The problem is, as you can see, what is happening here on the floor, huh? I mean on the table. The rain just now, when we got the fire, the rain hits the place. So I don't know if we're gonna make it, the pizza now in the daylight. Probably not, because it's almost 5 p.m. and 5:30, 5:40 the sun is going down. So anyway, you see here in the daylight you can see how we initiated this stove with the first fire after it's finished. Oh yeah, there we got the flame. Combustion coming up through the hole there, and you see it's overshadowing the top of the pizza, if you can see here. So this is gonna melt very, very fast. It's really exploding now, the pizza. I can see how it's burning and boiling. So now the pizza is straight on the bricks, so we can have the bottom perfectly fried. The top is already getting almost too much heat, but I think this will be very, very successful, very yummy. Okay, so here is the pizza. What do you think?
Tastes good.
Yeah, very lovely.
We have the seafood stuffings.
It's perfectly fried all the way through. You see the bottom here? And the toppings, everything perfect.
Jay, di ba ako nagkalaran dahil